Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cooking some delicious dried fish. First off, I started by cleaning the fish, just making sure that everything was nice and clean. And then once I was done, I placed the fish in the pot, as you can see, nicely. And I started adding water bit by bit. I wasn't adding too much at once, so I was just adding a little and then I covered to let the fish cook. As you can see, it's boiling nicely, so I continued adding water gradually until the fish was nicely cooked and tender. While the fish was cooking, I prepared my tomatoes and onions separately. I kept it very simple, no spices, just the tomatoes and onions. Once the fish was nicely cooked, I added in the tomatoes and onions, followed by some salt for taste. And just look at that. It was already looking so good. I let everything cook together for less than 15 minutes, and just like that, the fish was ready. If you have reached this far, please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, please like, comment. It's bye for me.